अस्सलाम वालेकुम ख़वातीन और हज़रात, मेरा नाम है आदिल अनवर एंड वेलकम टू द फर्स्ट एवर एपिसोड ऑफ इनसाइड आउट ब्रॉट टू यू बाय दराज। आज हम बात करेंगे Xiaomi Poco X3 की, मगर आगे बढ़ने से पहले अगर आपने अभी तक दराज के YouTube चैनल्स पर सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो आए बेल के आइकन पे क्लिक करें, सब्सक्राइब नाउ and stay up to date with what we have to offer. Now moving on to unboxing, Poco X3 by Xiaomi. It's one of its flagship killers, and if we talk about specs, हम इसकी specs की बात करें, it's a 6.67 inch full HD plus display with a quad camera and along with a 6 GB RAM and 128 GB memory. साथ ही साथ ये 5160 mAh बैटरी के साथ भी आता है. Snapdragon 732G, which hasn't been found in any other phone as of now. It has a 120 Hz refresh rate, which is not found in a lot of phones these days. It's a very flagship feature to have in a phone with a price like this. So that said, let's move on to the unboxing. Poco के जो flagship colors हैं black and yellow, as the box says, X3 NFC. If we go on, let's see what's this. आपकी SIM pin along with user guide, warranty and a soft shell case, sturdy case, strong case. Now moving on to the phone itself directly. Whoa, wow, 6.67 inch display, 85% screen to body ratio और इसका एक डॉट डिस्प्ले. once we open the phone आपको डॉट डिस्प्ले का भी आइडिया हो जाएगा. पीछे if you can see, this is the blue variant. It's a cobalt blue. साथ ही साथ like I said, 64 megapixel wide camera, 13 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel depth and macro cameras as well. फ्रंट पे है इसका 20 मेगापिक्सल का कैमरा. अगर हम साइड पे देखें, इट हैज़ इट्स, दिस इज़ द सिम ट्रे. यहाँ पे आते हैं इसके स्टेरियो स्पीकर्स. It's a USB-C. Along with that, now that we're talking about this, Poco X3 also supports 33 watt fast charging as well. So it gives you full charge in around 60 minutes. So which is pretty fast. State of earphones and headphones these days, 3.5 mm jack is still very important. Moving on, और इस box में क्या है? You have your Type-C cable and your fast charging power brick. Time to open the phone. इसका fingerprint scanner भी यहाँ पे. If you see, this is the power button along with the fingerprint scanner. I hope you guys can see this. Talking further more about this phone, this has an MIUI 12 along with an Android 10. And if we talk about the display, this is a Gorilla Glass 5 front, aluminum frame है इसके side पे और plastic back है. Going into the SIM tray, full SIM, nano SIM, micro SIM, all supported in this. Dot display. And if we talk about the IPS LCD screen again, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10, 450 nits. You don't get this display in the amount at which this phone is selling. Now if we talk about the price, right now it's available on Daraz for 41,999. 6 GB 128 GB variant, blue, इसका blue variant और इसका black variant दोनों available हैं दराज पे. Keep on looking at Daraz for Xiaomi flash sales that keep on happening. उसमें ये फ़ोन और भी स्पेशल प्राइस पे अवेलेबल होता है, बट फॉर अ वेरी लिमिटेड टाइम एंड वेरी लिमिटेड स्टॉक. नाउ इफ वी गो इनटू द फोन टेस्ट्स, इफ वी टॉक अबाउट साउंड.
दराज पाकिस्तान की सबसे बड़ी ई-कॉमर्स कंपनी है, पावर्ड बाय अलीबाबा ग्रुप. सबसे बड़ी कंपनी मतलब सबसे बड़ी डिलीवरी टीम, सबसे बड़ी कस्टमर सर्विस.
So as that sound test showed, the stereo speakers are actually pretty good. So moving on, we will keep on talking about the features again and again. हम आपको उसके सारे जो features उसके बारे में बार-बार बताते रहेंगे. 6.67 inch IPS LCD screen, FHD plus display के साथ 120 Hz screen है इसकी. And if we talk about the processor, it's a quad-core Snapdragon 732G processor. Along with that, it has a quad camera display, 4 cameras at the back. Then you have your selfie camera, a 20 megapixel selfie camera as well. The screen is a dot display, as you can see here. 3.5 mm jack, Type-C, fast charging. And moving on, we'll take picture of the box. अगर हम wide पे लें, 64 megapixel, connects 2x. Ultra wide. Whenever you use the camera for the first time, you will always see a water print on the bottom left of the picture. हमने ली हैं इसमें ultra wide, wide और zoomed in pictures. So if you do a beard hair test on the selfie camera, that's how basically you show that how good or bad the camera is. And let's try this out. मैं आपको ज़्यादा zoom in करके नहीं दिखा सकता क्योंकि मेरी beard सही तरह नहीं बनी हुई लेकिन if you see, there are no pixelations and all beard hair show. और ये था हमारा Poco X3 का complete overview and complete focus on your first ever episode of Inside Out brought to you by Daraz. अगर आपको इस टाइप का कंटेंट पसंद है and if you want to learn more about the new technology, new phones, new laptops, a lot more things that are beyond Daraz as well, Daraz के channels पे subscribe करें and stay up to date with what we have to offer. This is Adil Anwar signing off from the first ever episode of Inside Out. Take care. Allah Hafiz.